In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock and run the pit in Diablo 4. So this is basically a Diablo 4 the pit guide and how to unlock it. So first, understanding the pit. The pit is a timed dungeon where you must slay monsters and defeat a final boss as quickly as possible. Now, runs take place at the obelisk in Karigar and require run shards to enter, okay? So you have to have the rune shards to enter. These can be earned from most World Tier 4 activities. And then completing the pit rewards you with masterwork materials for upgrading your endgame items. Now, the first thing you have to do is prepare for the pit. You have to ensure you have a balanced build with good damage and survivability, okay? Each death during a run reduces your time by 30, 60, or 90 seconds, so you have to be very aware and very prepared for that. You have in total of 15 minutes to clear the pit, so efficiency is the key here. And then when it comes to unlocking the pit unlocks after you complete the Pit of the Artificer quest. This quest becomes available once you reach World Tier 4, so Nightmare difficulty. You have to finish the quest steps, then head to Karigar, or Skonsglen, where you'll find the Pit Obelisk. And then you will have to start a run. So to start a run in the pit, you need rune shards, okay? And you can earn these rune shards from World Tier 4 activities, which I said earlier, which include Nightmare dungeons, Helltide chests, world bosses, legion events, and certain boss fights, okay? And then each pit run costs 3 rune shards. So you have to know that these are not refunded if you fail, okay? So if you fail a pit run, you will not be returned these rune shards. And then pit run mechanics. So pit runs are divided into tiers, starting at level 100, which is tier 1, and going up to level 300, which is tier 200, okay? So there are no modifiers in the pit, just high-level enemies and the time limit. So each run involves clearing 2 dungeons worth of enemies and defeating a dungeon boss, okay? That's all you have to do. Unlocking new tiers is as follows. So you have to defeat the boss within the 15-minute time limit to unlock new tiers. Unlocked tiers are shared among characters on the same realm, so eternal or seasonal, and the game mode, softcore or hardcore. So the amount of time left at the end of the run determines how many tiers you unlock. If you finish with up to 4 minutes remaining, you unlock 1 tier. If you finish with 4 to 6 minutes remaining, you unlock 2 tiers. And if you finish with more than 6 minutes remaining, which is impressive, you unlock 3 tiers. And there's also a death penalty, so if you die during a run, 30 seconds will be added to the timer, okay? A second death adds 60 seconds, and each death after that adds 90 seconds to your timer. Now this penalty applies to the whole group, not just the individual player, so be very aware of that, okay? So yeah, that's basically it. That's how the pit works in Diablo 4. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, you can help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.